Some nights I dream about the mists of Sovngarde.
I've been tending to the warriors of your Vasker for as long as I can remember.
Skjor says that I have the strength that... We've gotten a letter about someone needing some muscle up in Hafengar. I don't know what the fight is about, and that's not our business anyway. I just need you to go out there, look tough, and scare this milk drinker into submission. No more than that. I don't want to hear about a killing, understand? Try not to get carried away.
When you get to be my age, you'll come to miss the smell of blood. Strange, I know.
I see everything, hear everything, and know everything.
I'm not interested, Jari. It doesn't matter how many times you ask.
You might want to rethink that. You're missing out on some wonderful opportunities.
Spiced wine, the taste of home and heart.
You, please, take pity on an old man. My master has abandoned me, abandoned his people, and nothing I say can change his mind. Now he refuses to even see me. He says I interrupt his vacation. It's been so many years. Won't you please help? Last I saw him, he was visiting a friend in the Blue Palace. But no one as mundane as a Jarl. No, no. Such people are below him. No, he went into the forbidden wing of the palace to speak with an old friend. Said it had been ages since they had last had tea. Oh, and you'll need the hip bone. It's very important. No entering Pelagius's wing without that. Oh, you just don't understand. Without him, I am not free. Without him, I am doomed. All of his empire shall fall into chaos. Until next time.
Unless we have specific business, I'm not interested.
I can always find time to share. You can't scare me into submission. Let's go. Come on. Let's see what you're made of. Never should have come here. You're tougher than you look. You got me, fair and square. Fine, I'll take care of it. Just please leave me alone.
Maybe you need a part? Oh, I'd get in trouble for that. It's not allowed. Besides, it's scary in there. Don't mess anything up while you're here. Someday, I'll be a gallant heroine. You make it look so appealing.
Magics are
coming from that cave. There are strange noises and lights. We need someone to investigate.
Then we will immediately send out a to scour the cave and secure the town. Pathfinger's people will always be safe under my...
Your Eminence, my scrying suggested nothing.
By the gods, it's true, isn't it? A dragon has attacked Whiterun. How could mere men bring down such a beast?
Some people don't think I'm smart. Those people get my fist. But you, I like. I figured you had it in you. Nicely done. Skjor was looking for you before. Talk to him before doing anything else.
Some of them might try. That's not what I'm worried about.
What then?
That they might get themselves killed.
By you?
They should be so lucky.
Ah, there you are.
Ah, there you are. Yes. I have something a little different planned this time. But it's not for everyone to hear. Meet me in the Underforge tonight. We will speak more. I forget that you've never seen it. Beneath the Skyforge, where Yorland works. The door is hidden, but I will show you the way. I wish more of our ranks asked such questions. I've started seeing the companions as a kind of family. I've battled next to every man and woman here, and the bonds of sweat are stronger than those of blood. I would trust anyone here with my life, which is more than I'd say for the milk drinkers who raised me. Not now. The Underforge, tonight. Not now. The Underforge, tonight. Are you prepared? This is no test, your blood. This is a gift. Come inside. Glad you came. It's been a long time since we had a heart like yours among our numbers. That pitiful ceremony behind the hall does not befit warriors like us. You are due more honor than some calls and feasting. I would hope you recognize Ayla, even in this form.
It means resting your haunches in Whiterun more than I'd care to, for one. But when it comes time to draw blood, there's no one in Skyrim I'd rather have at my back.
He thinks we've been cursed.
It means waking up every day knowing that you could die, and Having to
We
earn
take
your
matters
life
into
by
our own
clawing for
hands.
every breath.
To reach the heights of the
I don't know how those
companions,
cozy
join with
lords
us in a
manage to
shared
drag
political
themselves out of bed every day. Why bother if you're not living? I'll
Are
take
you
my
prepared to
leave.
join your spirit with the beast world, friend? Very well. The blood calls, sister. Are you prepared for tonight's hunt?
Don't just stand there. Kill him! Are you awake? I was starting to think you might never come back. Yours was not an easy transformation, but you're still alive, so congratulations. We even have a celebration planned for you. There's a pack of werewolf hunters camped nearby, at Gallows Rock. The Silver Hand. I think you've met them before. We're going to slaughter them. All of them. Lead on. Skior's already scouting ahead. You have the blood of the wolf in you. You'll need to build up your strength before you can call on it again, though. Just be careful where you do it. Some cowards in this land can't stand the sight of glory before them. All right, then. Look at this. Cowards must have locked the place down after Skior charged in. You can taste the fear. There's a dead one, isn't there? Thought so. Nobody we know by the smell. Some can't separate the animal from themselves. Go feral. This poor sod could have been anyone. We should keep moving. This should be... You can't... That's all you got? Nothing we can do for these ones now. Don't even want to think about what those creepers did to them before they...
Did you hear something?
What was that?
What was that? Now you're mine. We're getting close now. Be careful. Their leader is a tricky one. They call him the Skinner. I don't think I need to tell you why.
Hear something?
Bastards. Somehow they managed to kill Skior. He was one of the strongest we had, but numbers can overwhelm. He should not have come without a shield brother. Get out of here. I'm going to make sure we got the last of them, and see if there's any information to be gotten from the bodies. You and I have work to do. The Silver Hand will tremble at our sight. I've been hearing rumors of Silver Hand activity. A group of them has holed up in Hjalmarch. Run fast, my friend. I'm gonna find whoever did this. Got some good pieces. I don't claim to be the finest weapons and armor. Don't forget to check inside the shop if you need anything.
What are you doing that for? Once I've made enough money trading with the Khajiit caravans, I'm going to buy the bannered mare from Hulda. Before my ma and da passed, I told him that one day, I'd become the best trader in Skyrim. I met one of the caravan leaders, Madron. He said he'd help me get started if I could bring him a mammoth's tusk. Easier said than done. You'd do that? If you find one, I could teach you a thing or two about trading. Help you get a fair bargain in the future? Thank you. This should turn that old cat's gaze. Maybe I'll be able to become a caravaneer myself one day. As promised, let me show you a thing or two about bargaining. Don't want some shifty merchant giving you a raw trade. About the same as everyone else? They're the catfolk of elsewhere. Great warriors, good traders. The way I hear it, elsewhere ain't nothing like Skyrim. It's got tropical forests and dusty badlands. It sounds awful. Yeah, these Khajiit make a living traveling the roads and selling their wares. It's got to be tough. Skyrim's a hard enough land when you've got a roof over your head. Worst thing is, nobody wants them in the cities. Nobody trusts them. Reputation mostly. A lot of Khajiit turn to smuggling and thievery to get by. A few bad apples spoil the bunch. You know how it is. Farewell.
I ain't done nothing. Only if I can help it. But damn if I ain't almost sober. Hey, in the Bannered Mare, there's this bottle of Argonian ale. The good stuff. Get it for me. They won't even know it's gone. Come on. Argonian ale. I can almost taste it. Sure, whatever.
Your lunch craftsmanship, my dear. We've never had any reason to deal with those caravans.
Finest cuts, fresh from the wilds. Oh, there once was a hero named Ragnar the Red who came riding to Whiterun from old Rorikstead. And the braggart did swagger and brandish his blade as he told of the...
It's a fine day with you around.
I work with my mother. Sell fruits and vegetables. It's fun most days.
That Heims. Well, would you look at that? Argonian ale. My thanks, friend. Here, take this here healing potion. I, found it in the temple. Bye now.
Did you raise your prices, Carlotta? I had to. The farm...
Got something for just about everybody in here. Give a hop. Everything's for sale, my friend. Everything. If I had a sister, I'd sell her in a second. Some may call this junk. Me, I call them treasures. Do come back.
Well met, kinsman. Oh, been tending your hounds? You smell like a wet dog.
Never should have
clear
sign
now.
of him.